Hey everyone, welcome to Python Mega Bootcamp. My name is Dev and I'm going to be your instructor throughout the course. I'm a Python and Ruby programmer in field of AI and an electronics and communication engineer. Now let me move towards the course. So it's a complete Python course that will make you very advanced in Python from a beginner. I interviewed many programming students to get what's required to teach. Many of you are thinking why I learn Python. Many are thinking I have to go for any other basic programming language like C first. And also those who are doing programming are maybe stuck in only college and school education and thinking how can I learn the programming that I can apply and build whatever I want. Then maybe you have to give a little time to check this course. This course is not just a course on basics and just concepts of Python. This is designed according to your need. We are going to build more than 15 projects to apply your knowledge in this course that are very basic from dictionary to up to real working games and big data projects. I have tried my best to properly arrange and build the course step by step according to a student's need. We will begin from learning the best editor for you to basics, then data analysis and visualization, and also the graphical applications development with working desktop applications. So it's hard to describe everything in introduction because there is a lot of here. One thing I'm sure about, after completing the course you will be one with complete Python knowledge and you can easily build any application by your own. Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you that what actually Python is, and I will clear two most basic doubts in students' mind. First one is, I have no knowledge of programming. Maybe first I have to go for some easy programming language like C, but they don't know that Python is the most easy one. Second is that students is confused about learning Python, that why should I learn Python. So we will focus on both of these and on also that what actually is Python. So first of all, let me consider what actually Python is. So basically we have different levels of programming languages like low, machine and high. Low and machine are something that is easy for computer to understand but hard for programmers to understand. And high level is something that is harder for the computer to understand and easy for us to understand because the computer just requires 0 and 1 binary digits, but the syntaxes in Python are in English. So that's why this one is known as a high level programming language. After that one, Python is developed in 1991, but it came in attention in 2012. So here I have a growth chart for Python, in which you can notice before 2012 this one is even lower than the C++. But then in 2018 Python is the most favorite and popular programming. So there is a sharp growth in Python programming and there are various reasons for that one. Easy to learn, easy to work, and everything is available in Python. When you learn Python you will get that whatever you want to do, there is a library, there are resources and everything available in Python. Even the biggest companies in the world, Netflix, Google, they are also using Python. Even IBM is also using Python. And the concepts like machine learning, AI, they are very easy with the Python programming language. Because in the other programming languages like in C where you need to add the syntax of approximately 200 to 300 lines will be written in Python for just 20 to 30 lines. And there are a lot of advantages to learn Python. So basically Python is the best programming language available here. Now just after the Python programming, let me consider the doubts in students. Like, I don't have any programming language knowledge. Do I have to go for Python? I don't have written any code before. Should I have to learn Python first? Or I have to go for any programming language like C and then I have to go for the Python? So for all of these students who are thinking these kinds of things, in my opinion, every programming language is divided into two parts. Out of which first one is the syntax part, which is different for every language. In C you need to write very large code, but in Python just few lines of code. Second thing, the logical part, that how you are applying your knowledge to solve your problems. That is same in every programming language. Whatever you have the syntaxes, in final you are going to apply the knowledge same in every programming language. It's just like learning English, learning French or any particular language, but their motive is same. Representation of your feelings, and how well you represent depends on your thoughts. So just like that one, we have the programming languages. So it's just the syntaxes that define different programming languages. And the answer for that question is you don't need any programming language to learn Python or any kind of language. If you just go from the beginning to any programming language, you will find no issues and everything will be same for every programming language. So whether go for Python or C, things will remain same. And being the Python best programming language, I suggest you to go for this one. This one is very easy as compared to C and other different languages in comparison of syntaxes. So you will not find any problem while learning the Python. And the course is designed in very systematic way, starting from beginning and then step to step, very advanced level. Now let's move to the second question. Why should I learn Python? So the answer for that one is because Python is one of the most popular language, growing everywhere, and the fields like machine learning and AI again require Python. And also, if you look at the salary growth, then there is a large growth in salary of Python. However, it is declining in the last year, but it's still increasing in field of data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence. After that one, Python is very vast. You have different options there you can go for, and here is the salary analysis for these. So if you learn Python, then it will provide you benefits all around. You can even build your own programs, sell them, you can work anywhere in these fields. You can go for machine learning, you can go for artificial intelligence. So there is a lot more there. I hope both of the doubts are clear to you now, and let's move to what's inside the course in the next videos.